Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. So today I'm going to guide you through some of the best vegetable seeds to sow in November and December. These cooler months are perfect for a variety of vegetables that love mild temperatures and I cannot wait to share them with you. So let's dive right into it. Before going further, a small request to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about my new videos. Before starting, there is a small update. You can purchase most of these seeds from a single person and that too just starting from rupees 10. I just share his WhatsApp number so you can just message him and he will share the list of the seeds along with price and all. So let's start. First on our list is spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is incredibly easy to grow and packed with nutrients like iron and vitamins. The cool, mild weather of upcoming months make it the perfect time to sow spinach seed. Spinach loves cooler temperature and you can even harvest baby spinach leaves within just a few weeks of sowing. To grow spinach, sow the seeds directly into well-drained soil. Spinach needs regular watering but doesn't like it to sit in waterlogged soil, so ensure good drainage. Keep them in a spot with plenty of sunlight and in no time you'll have fresh tender spinach leaves ready to harvest. Next up we have lettuce. Whether you prefer crisp romaine, delicate butterhead or leafy lettuce, all varieties thrive in cooler weather. Coming months are ideal for planting lettuce because the mild temperature helps the leaves grow without becoming bitter. Lettuce seeds are small, so plant them just below the surface of the soil, lightly covering them with a thin layer. Water consistently to keep the soil moist but not overly wet. Within 4 to 6 weeks, you will have beautiful crispy lettuce leaves that are perfect for salads, sandwiches and wraps. Mustard greens are another leafy vegetables that thrive during these cooler months. Known for their peppery flavor, mustard greens add a zing to salads and stir fries. These greens are cold tolerant and love the cool weather. To grow mustard greens, sow the seeds directly into well-prepared soil. Make sure to space the seeds at least a few inches apart to give them room to grow. Water regularly and in just a few weeks, you'll start seeing lush green leaves sprouting up in your garden. Harvest them early for tender and flavorable greens. Kale is a leafy vegetable known for its hardy, nutritious leaves that are packed with vitamins A, C and K. This cool season vegetable loves the cool weather and can even withstand light frost, which actually make its leaves sweeter. Sow kale seeds directly into the soil, keeping them spaced about 12 inches apart. Kale prefer full sun but can tolerate some shade, making it a versatile crop for your garden. Water regularly but make sure the soil is well drained. In about 2 months, you'll have fresh, homegrown kale that's perfect for soup, salads, or even kale chips. Now let's talk about carrots. Now is the perfect time to plant carrot seeds because the cooler temperatures helps the root develop a sweeter flavor. Carrot needs loose, well-drained soil, so make sure to prepare the soil well by removing any rocks or clumps that might obstruct the growth of the roots. Carrots are available in different colors like red, orange and black. Sow carrot seeds thinly in row and cover them with a light layer of soil, keeping the soil consistently moist until the seeds germinate. Carrots take about 2 to 3 months to mature and when they are ready, you'll have a sweet and crunchy harvest that's perfect for snacking or cooking. Radishes are one of the fastest growing root vegetable, making them a great choice for coming months. Radishes mature in as little as 25 to 30 days, so you can enjoy fresh radishes in no time. They thrive in cool weather and are very easy to grow. Sow the seeds directly into well-drained soil, spacing them about an inch apart. Water consistently and soon you'll notice little radish forming just below the surfaces. Radishes add a peppery crunch to salads or can be roasted for a sweet, mellow flavor. Next up is broccoli, one of the most nutritious vegetable you can grow during the cooler months. Coming months are best time to sow broccoli as it thrives in cool weather and takes several months to mature. Plant broccoli seeds in seed trays or directly into the garden, leaving enough space between plants for them to spread. Broccoli prefers full sunlight and it's important to water them consistently, but don't let the soil become waterlogged. In about 3 to 4 months, you'll have large green heads of broccolis ready to harvest. Cauliflower also loves the cool weather. It's a bit more sensitive to temperature fluctuations, but when grown with care, it produces large heads that are packed with nutrients. Even cauliflower is available in different colors like white, purple, yellow, and green. Sow the seeds in well drained soil and make sure to keep the soil moist, especially when the plants are young. Cauliflower plants takes about 3 to 4 months to fully mature, so patience is the key. By the end of the season, you will be rewarded with crisp, tender cauliflower heads that are perfect for curries, roasting, or steaming. Onions are an essential ingredient in almost every dish, and coming months are perfect time to plant them. You can grow onions from seeds or sets, which are small onion bulbs. Onion needs well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight to thrive. Plant onion seeds about an inch deep into the soil, spacing them a few inches apart. Water regularly, and in a few months you will have large firm onions that are ready to harvest. You can use them fresh or store them for months, making them a versatile crop for your garden. Another must have in your garden is garlic. Planting garlic in coming months ensures that the cloves have enough time to develop into full bulbs by the following summer. Simply break apart a garlic bulb into individual cloves and plant each clove with the pointed end facing upward. Garlic needs well-drained soil and regular watering. Plant the cloves a few inches apart and within a few months you'll start to see shoots emerging. By the end of spring, you'll have plump, flavorful garlic bulbs ready to harvest and use in your cooking. Now let's talk about tomatoes. Coming months can be a great time to plant them. You can grow varieties like cherry tomatoes that will continue producing fruits even as the temperature drops. Start by sowing tomato seeds in seed trays. Once the seedlings are about 6 to 8 inches tall, transplant them into the garden, ensuring they have enough space and support to grow. Tomato loves sunny spot and need well drained soil. Water regularly, but be careful not to overwater. In about 2 to 3 months, you will be harvesting delicious homegrown tomatoes. Next on our list is brinjal, also known as eggplant. Brinjal grows well in mild temperatures and now is an excellent time to sow the seeds in regions with temperate climate. There are several varieties you can grow, from small round brinjals to the long ones. Brinjals are also available in different colors like purple, white and green. Start the seeds in trays and transplant the seedling when they are about 6 inches tall. Brinjal needs plenty of sunlight and well drained soil to grow strong and healthy. Keep them watered and fertilized regularly and you'll have a harvest of shiny brinjals ready in 3 to 4 months. Green chili is another must have for your garden during this time of the year. These spicy little peppers love warm weather but can still thrive in the cooler months, especially in regions where winter isn't too harsh. Sow the seeds in seed trays and transplant them once they are about 4 to 6 inches tall. Green chilies love sunlight, so make sure to plant them in spots with plenty of sun. Water regularly, but ensure the soil is well drained. In just a few months, you'll have fresh, fiery chilies to spice up your dishes. Capsicum, also known as bell peppers, can be grown now. These colorful sweet peppers are favorite in salads and stir fries, and they are easy to grow in home garden. Capsicums are available in rainbow of colors like green, red, yellow, purple, orange and white. Sow the seeds in seed trays and once the seedlings are about 4 to 6 inches tall, transplant them into the garden. Capsicum need full sun and regular watering to thrive. Make sure the soil is well drained and in a few months you will have different capsicums ready to harvest. Turnip is a root vegetable that thrives in the cooler months and now is an ideal time to plant it. Turnips have a slightly peppery taste and both the roots and the greens are edible. making them a versatile addition to your garden. Sow the seeds directly into well prepared soil, about half an inch deep. Keep the soil moist but well drained. Turnip grows quickly and will be ready for harvest in about 6 to 8 weeks. You can harvest the greens earlier, and the roots will be ready when they are about the size of a tennis ball. Beetroot is another root vegetable that thrive in cool weather. Beetroot is rich in nutrients and have a sweet, earthy flavor, making it a favorite for salads, roasting or juicing. Sow the seeds directly into well-drained soil and thin the seedlings as they grow to give them room to develop. Water regularly, and in about 2 to 3 months you'll have beautiful deep red beets ready to harvest. You can also harvest the young beet leaves for salads. Coriander, also known as cilantro, is a fast-growing herb that thrives in cooler months. It's an essential ingredient in cooking and grows best when sown now. Sow the seeds directly into the soil, covering them lightly. Coriander prefers a sunny spot with well-drained soil, and regular watering is important for healthy growth. You can start harvesting the leaves in just 3 to 4 weeks. Keep the harvesting to encourage new growth throughout the season. Fenugreek or methi is another fast-growing herb perfect for the cooler months. It's known for its slightly bitter taste and is widely used in Indian cuisine. Sow the seeds directly into the soil, spacing them evenly. Fenugreek loves full sun and grows best in well-drained soil. Water regularly, and in about 3 to 4 weeks you can start harvesting tender methi leaves. Fenugreek is also rich in nutrients, making it a healthy addition to your garden. Cabbage is a cool season crop that thrives in the cooler months, making coming months the perfect time to plant it. Cabbage comes in many varieties and is packed with nutrients like vitamin C and fibers. Start by sowing the seeds in seed trays and transplant them once the seedlings are about 4 to 6 weeks old. Cabbage needs full sun and regular watering to develop firm heads. In about 3 to 4 months, you will have fresh, crunchy cabbage ready to harvest. Peas love cool weather, making them a perfect choice for planting now. Whether you are growing garden peas, snow peas or sugar snap peas, all varieties will thrive in these cooler months. Sow the seeds directly into the soil, spacing them a few inches apart, providing a trellis or support for the pea vines to climb on. Water regularly, and in about 60 to 70 days you'll have a delicious harvest of fresh peas to enjoy. Peas add a sweet, fresh flavor to any dish. Nol khol or kohlrabi is a member of the cabbage family that thrive in cool weather. It has a bulbous stem that tastes like a combination of broccoli and radish, making it a unique addition to your garden. Sow the seeds directly into well-drained soil and space the plants about 10 to 8 inches apart. Nol khol needs full sun and regular watering to develop properly. You can start harvesting the bulbs when they are about the size of tennis ball, typically in 50 to 70 days. Chinese cabbage is a versatile vegetable that grows well in cool weather, and coming months are an excellent time to sow the seed. It's milder and more tender than regular cabbage, making it perfect for salads, stir fries or soups. Start the seeds in seed trays, then transplant the seedlings into the ground once they are about 4 to 6 inches tall. Chinese cabbage need well-drained soil and regular watering. In about 2 to 3 months, you'll have the crisp, fresh heads of Chinese cabbage ready to harvest. Bathua, also known as white goose feet, is a leafy green that thrives in the cool and dry months. It's a nutrient-dense plant commonly used in Indian dishes and is packed with vitamins and minerals. Sow the seeds directly into well-prepared soil. Bathua grows quickly and can be harvested in about 3 to 4 weeks. It's a low maintenance and requires very little care, making it a great choice for beginner gardeners. And there you have it. These are some of the best vegetables you can sow in November and December. Whether you are growing leafy greens, root vegetables or herbs, now is the perfect time to get started and enjoy a bountiful winter harvest. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Let me know in comments which vegetables you are planning to sow this season. Until next time, happy gardening.